So what do you want to do today?
I don't know. How about you?
Whatever you want to do today.
Go ahead. Monster. Really?
There you go. Hey, drink this. You can defeat that monster with the power of nature.
Okay, thank you. Power of nature.
Energy drink is high in calories.
Too much caffeine. Too much sugar. But for your health.
Water is all natural.
It's healthy. It's hydrated. No sugar. Cool water.
Water, unless contaminated by a substance such as radioactive waste or sewage, will not give you any side effects such as good looks or superpowers. We are not bashing on Monster Energy Drink, for some of the producers really would prefer to drink Monster Energy Drink. However, we are stating the fact that water is healthier than Monster Energy Drink. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.